US spent 1 lakh crore in 6 days of war. Hello guys, my name is Raja Chaudhary. Today we will talk about US budget on Iran Israel US war. Far beyond approved 1600 crore budget. How will it be recovered? In the first 6 days of the conflict with Iran, the United States reportedly spent 11.3 billion, roughly 1 lakh crore rupees in Indian rupees. 13 days into the war, daily expenditure ranged between 8,000 and 16,000 crore rupees. Interestingly, the Pentagon in initially had just $178 million, around 1,600 crore rupees, set aside as an operational fund for the first 100 hours. So, how did the US end up spending 20 times the approved budget? How will President Trump make up the difference? And where exactly is all this money going? Today, explain. So, so how much has the US spent so far in the Iran conflict? So, the US Department of Defense, the Pentagon, informed Congress on March 11 that in the first 6 days of conflict with Iran, $11.3 billion, approximately 1 lakh crore in Indian rupees, had already been spent. This figure does not include pre-war preparations or troop deployments, meaning the true cost of the war is even higher. Official daily expenditure figures are not available, but media reports provide estimates. New York Times and Washington Post reported that in the first 2 days alone, the US spent 5.6 billion, roughly 51,000 crore rupees. According to the US think tank Center for Strategic and International Studies CSIS, the first 100 hours saw spending of 3.7 billion, about 34,000 crore rupees. On average, the US is spending $891.4 million, roughly 8,200 crores rupees daily on the conflict. MS now reported to Congress last week, citing sources that daily spending could be 1 billion. A day later, Politico reported that Republican members of Congress were concerned that the Pentagon was spending over $2 billion, roughly 16,000 crore rupees per day. Pentagon figures confirm these concerns. In the first 6 days, the US spent an average of $1.8 billion per day. It's a lot of money, man. Where is this money being spent? So, CSIS identifies three major categories of spending. So, first category and main category. So, first category is weapons and ammunitions, the main role in war. The largest expenditure has been on Tomahawk Tomahawk missiles, that a name of missile. So Tomahawk missiles, Patriot defense systems, and third air defense missile system. Iran destroyed one third air defense missile system. Iran has launched over 2,000 drones and 500 ballistic missiles. The estimated cost of an Iranian Shahid drone is around 30 lakh rupees. The US countered these using interceptor missiles that can cost hundreds of times more, means 30 lakh one drone, Shahid drone, Iranian drone. But Iran but America kill that 30 lakh drone to using more time, more 100 times rich, more 100 times costly missiles. The US countered this using interceptor missiles that can cost hundreds of times more. In the first 4 days, the US spent 28,520 crore rupees on weapons, of which 15,640 crore rupees went to intercepting Iranian attacks. CSIS reports that over the initial 100 horse, more than 2,000 missiles, drones, and other munitions, munitions were used. Over 400 Tomahawk missiles were fired in the first 72 horse, each costing around 11 crore rupees. Lot of money, man. Just not US just not rich. They had a technology. The US also deployed MQ-9 Reaper drones valued at around 250 crore rupees. 2000 pounds JBU-31 bombs dropped from B-2 bombers and precision strike missiles from HIMARS launchers. HIMARS launchers. Lucas drones costing around 29 lakh rupees were also used for the first time. Second, second thing, military operations. The US has established a naval blockade at 5 points in the Persian Gulf. Aircraft carriers such as USS Abraham Lincoln and USS Gerald Ford have been deployed, but not they deployed but not used, alongside 14 destroyers and 3 combat ships also deployed, but they did not use. The US Air Force has over 200 fighter jets in the conflict, including approximately 50 advanced F-35 and F-22 stealth aircraft. Third thing, replacing losses and repairing damage. This is big thing. Several US weapons were lost in the first 100 horse, including 3 F-15 jets mistakenly shot down by Kuwaiti F-18 Hornets. Each F-15 costs roughly 789 crore rupees. Infrastructure damage and Iranian attacks is estimated at 3,300 crore rupees. Iran targeted third system stationed in Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Jordan. A third radar at Jordan Mufaq Salti Air Base was destroyed. One third system costs up to 22,000 crore rupees. This is a big loss of US. Well, its radar alone is worth 2,700 crore rupees. So costly. MQ-9 Reaper drones valued at 250 crore rupees each were also destroyed. Around 200 remain operational. So 34,000 crore spent on 5 major systems in the first 4 days. So air operations 1,152 crore in 4 days. For naval operations 593 crore in 4 days. Ground operations 64 crore in 4 days. And ammunition and shell operations 28,000 crore. War damage 3,300 crore. So total of 28,520 crore in 4 days. And daily expenditure is 6,000 crore. 6,900 crore. Where is Trump getting the money from? So Congress has not officially sanctioned such large sums for the war. According to the CSIS of the 34,000 crore rupees spent in the first 100 hours, only $178 million, roughly 1,600 crore rupees, had been approved. This initial fund was meant for deploying troops, fighter jets, and naval operations, not for direct combat. The US Department of Defense has a 92 lakh crore rupees budget for 92 lakh crore rupees, and US just spent 1 lakh crore for fiscal year of 2026. This covers personal weapons procurement, productions, and infrastructure. Is entirely Trump is temporarily drawing on the budget to finance the war. He has three ways to make up the money: reall- reallocate funds within the defense budget and later get approval for overspending. Seek congressional approved through a reconciliation bill similar to the 1.4 lakh crore rupees provision previously sanctioned. Use supplemental appropriations and emergency funding mechanism. This was how presidents in the Iraq and Afghanistan wars secured war funding. How will Trump make up the money? So the war expenditure will affect the defense budget. To maintain productions of weapons, drones, aircrafts, or government may need to increase revenue or cover budget shortfalls through two main methods: higher taxes. So the largest sources of US revenue is taxes, and every country larger source tax, mainly tax. Last year, the US collected 5.223 trillion dollars, around 435 lakh crore rupees, mostly from income tax. CBS News reports that Trump could increase taxes to cover war spending. American pupils. Historically, presidents like Harry Truman and during the Vietnam War raised taxes to finance conflicts. Borrowing if spending exceeds revenue, the US will run a budget deficit with a national debt of roughly 3,300 lakh crore rupees. The US can sell treasury securities, bills, and bonds globally to quickly raise funds. Unbelievable. Could this weaken the US economy? The US economy is already under pressure. Economist Danny Shonk warns that if the Iran conflict drags on and crude oil raises above $130 per barrel, it could significantly impact the US economy. Strong estimates that a 2 month war could sharply increase inflation, reaching 4.15% by the end of 2026, the highest since May 2023. Fuel price raises would push up food costs, reducing consumer spending. A conflict lasting 6 months could keep oil prices high for nearly a year, prolonging economic strain, global instability, and the oil crisis could slow economic growth. So, thank you so much for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Money for pupils needs, not war with Iran. Since the conflict between Israel and the US, Americans have been opposing a war against Iran. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.